Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use something called speed ramping in Filmora. So this is actually a simple effect to apply, but the result is going to make your video much more cinematic. So it's almost like you can speed up the video, or you can also just slow down the time. So there's going to be some slow motion effect in the video, which look amazing. But I think it's difficult to describe that with words. I think it is better to just show you what speed ramping will do to your video. So for example, I have this clip of a drone shot just passing some buildings, and it's pretty standard drone shot, but we can make it a bit more interesting by applying speed ramping. Now click on the clip that you want to modify and then go to speed right here on the upper section of the program, and then click speed ramping. Now there are some presets that you can apply, so we can also click customize to use your own preset. You change the style of your own, but in this example I'm going to be using something called montage. So I'm going to play the video and you will see the result. Just speeding up and then just going down. So it's very interesting effect, and you can see that it is actually reflecting the path that is traced in this speed ramping feature. So that's one feature. There's also jumper, bullet time, etc. So it's really up to you to choose which option that you think is the best. But you can also customize your own speed ramping model. Now I will try to apply that on this video of a person, point of view of someone cycling in this event. So basically, I want to add slow motion when he's jumping. So when he's in the air, I want to add some slow motion effect. And I'm going to apply some speed ramping to this clip. Alright, so let's click on the video again. Go to speed and speed ramping and click customize. And this time around, basically, I want to specify that it has to start somewhere around here. So I'm going to lower the ramping. If it's going down, then it means the video is slowing down, but it is up, then the video is basically faster. Okay, let's make it closer. You can also add some point to fine-tune the result. Okay, so let's play the video and hopefully the result is decent. Okay, it's a bit too early. Let's put it here. And let's try it again. Something like that. So that's basically the benefit of using speed ramping in your Filmora video. It's going to make the clip very cinematic. And of course, you can play around with other settings here. There is a freeze option if you want to freeze the frame and just stop in time. It is possible too. And there is also something called AI frame interpolation. This is going to be useful if you have a slow motion section of the video. Filmora will utilize AI to fill in the frame, so it will make sure the video is going to be as smooth as possible. And yeah, that's basically it. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.